my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in today. A little bit of a backstory. Last week I was not able to upload. Um, I was super busy last week. I just got caught off guard. I was trying to make a video. We had a great week in the market last week. It was a little offset, but we still made profit. Managed to still secure some profit, which was great. In general, the market last week was choppy, partly due to the Suez Canal incident with the boat, and just regulations of trying to get trade, to move. So the market was kind of lagging last week. It was in a correction, but this week a lot is changing, which is great. Let's start off this week. Weekly trades overview. So let's go with this week. We have gold, NASDAQ, US 30, pound dollar, New Zealand dollar, Facebook, and Amazon. So I chose all of these, and we have been continuously watching a lot of them. And today, I believe that, well, this week, we will be in a correction and we will start to be going up, which is great. So let's start off with gold. So this morning I got it at 1710 when I recorded this. You can see in the monthly we are in a downtrend. With the RSI is pointing down, but in the weekly, see we have some support developed. This is from last year, June, July, August, summertime. You can see wick is down here. What we need is a confirmation that price coming up here. So we were waiting for a call. That's what I put it on. Right around 1725, when price comes back up and touches the green line and crosses over it, then it's going to be a confirmation for me and all my members in the alert room to be getting in. Why did I say 1725? Because there is no support right here. Price immediately just dropped or it pulls back up. This is a nice area of support. If we hit 1725, we'll be into the entrance to top of support, which is about 1730. Ideally for this week, are looking to take it up to about 1750, top of this support, which I don't think will be a problem at all, specifically just because gold this morning was like 1730-ish, and then it just dropped to 1706. 1705.5, which was nasty, but some stuff happened and we were not in, which was great. So this is my analysis on gold. I am waiting for a confirmation of price to cross over the green lines around 1725-ish, and then from there we'll be taking profit to about 1735-ish, and ideally we will be looking to take it up to the top of this support, 1750-ish, before our next reversal. Remember, we are still in it because the stimulus package in the coming weeks, the government can't drop everyone, if they're eligible, the $1,800 or whatever they're getting. I don't know. I don't believe I'm eligible for it, but when that happened last year, the exact same reversal for gold, same support, popped all the way up to 2060, which was great. But here's the thing, that package was only, I believe, over $500 billion, or no, $500 billion. So this is a $2 trillion package, which I believe will take gold to new all-time highs of, I would love to see 2,500. So if I could see that, that would be amazing. But we got a long ways to go for that. So that's my price on gold. Next is the NAS. So this morning I got the NAS, let's see, 12,890. So far we are up, but I said we're only getting in above 12,950. And I'll show you that exactly right here. So you can see in this month, actually in the past 3 months, we've just been kind of trading flat. Some pullbacks in both directions, down and up. And we are looking for a reversal. You can see price is kind of trading flat with the lines, and then how price is already just showing this support developing right here. So what I could see is on the daily, price is just trading flat, but when the lips and the teeth start crossing over, it's going to be a confirmation of a trend. And I said, look, we're going to look on the small time frames especially to wait for this to happen. and I think it was on the 2 hour. So slowly starting to come up. Why did I say 12,950? Because this is its next major support. Uh, from all the way back to here, this is where price was either going to go up or it's going to go down. And I believe if we can hold above 12,950, we will push back to 13,200. Yes. So ideally, we are looking for 13,200 on this end of week. Could definitely easily see it. Um, it's going to take some time. That's why I said end of week. So this is our analysis on the NAS. Now US 30 is already moving. So I caught it at 32,991, and so far we're up about 50 pips. Now what I could see here from this is I told my members that we're going to be taking this back to 33,300. You could see monthly we are strong bullish, which is great. In the past week, it's kind of trading flat, a little bit pullback right here. And so you can see on the daily, price hasn't really been doing much. We're probably going to be closing in a spinning top on the daily, but I said the support is rising. So for, what's it called, US 30 to go back, I said if we can get above 33,000 and hold, we'll be taking it back to 33,000, right, 33,300, right around here-ish. So if it did want to pull back to its support 32,950, which is like right here, that's why I said 950, then that's okay. You know, really haven't even lost anything. So, I mean, we'd still be in profit, which is great. So that is my US 30 analysis. We're going to be taking this to 33. Oh my gosh, I'm in such a mind fuck. 33,300. That's such a weird number. So that's US 30. Let's see. The next one, pound dollar. So I caught it this morning at 1.378, and currently we are up almost 1.38. I said, look, the reversal is coming. It was treacherous last week watching pound slump from 139 something to 137. I did not expect that. That caught me so off guard. But listen, it's setting up for a reversal, and it's going to be so sweet and deserved. But you can see right here, price was down to its next support at 1.369. Since then, it's came up to another support, 1.38, and it since came down a little bit. You could see here on the daily, we haven't been doing much. We've just been going up and down, slowly identifying some support. But here's the thing. It's like the support was down here. The reversal was up here. Now, if we can hold, I believe I said 1.38-ish, we'll be swinging it back to 1.395, which is right around here to its next major support. I said we look on smaller time frames. Lift's already starting to cross over, so it's kind of developing its next support right here. And this is where we're going to be taking it all the way back up to here. Because it was unfortunate to see that price last week. Was it March 22nd? Yeah, so it was chilling right around like 1.39, and then it just slumped. So we will be buying it back, catching the reversal. I said right around 1.38-ish we will enter if it holds above, and we'll be taking it to 1.395, which is great. And the next one, New Zealand dollar. This one's going to be good too. So it's already up. New Zealand, I caught it this morning at 0.7000. Currently we're at 0.7011, which is great. We're slowly moving up, but you could see price was kind of in the reversal, peaked up here, pulled back down. I said, look, we are going to enter when a confirmation of trend happens and appears. So what I could see is if price, we were going to be entering right around 7.70500-ish, just right around where its next support is, and before, honestly it'd be a little bit before, we need this to cross over and have a full trend. So we could take it up to 7.8 to 715 and ideally 725. So that is my analysis. We're going to be taking up to 3 different support levels. Looks really clean right now. So we are waiting on this. It's going to be really, really good this week. Hopefully no one sleeps on this. So New Zealand dollar, this one's going to be great. Let's go to my other browser. All right. Amazon. So this morning I got it at 3,062. So hasn't really done much at all, but that's okay. It's Amazon. It'll do its thing. You can see slowly we've just been identifying some support, trading sideways. And what we are looking for is take price right up to 3,100-ish. So we've got some time, got a good bit of profit range. So what I am needing is for price to hold above, I think it was 3060 something. Yeah, 3070 almost, just because I need price to have a little bit more support before and this candle to close, especially in an uptrend. So I'm looking at it right here, and we are waiting until the price already crossed over the lines, but the lips hasn't crossed over the teeth and the jaws yet. So just identifying support right now, and that it is on the lower time frame, but you could see on the daily the lips is trying to cross over the teeth and jaws soon, but it needs to identify more momentum on the lower time frame. And you can look on the RSI just for a general idea, because you know Will's alligator is a lagging indicator, so it won't be as exact of where price is heading to. But we are pointing in the uptrend on RSI. So it's a good idea of where it's going to head. We just need it to hit next support right around 307, 3070. I don't know what's up with me today. But this is going to be a really, really good trade too on Amazon. I actually don't think I've put a trade on Amazon before. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. I don't remember. But that's for Amazon. We'll be taking that up to 3,100 this week, end of week, or until maybe sometime next week in the middle of it. Just depends, but because this will take a little bit of time to form. I don't actually know when earnings is. I gotta check that out because it could be soon. All right, the last one, Facebook. Excited for Facebook. This morning I got it at 288. Right now it's currently down about $1.20, which is perfectly okay. Facebook had a bull run. It was at 300, and then it dipped last week to about 278, 278-ish or whatever. Let's see, a lower time frame. It's got good support. RSI is going up. And here we are. So we could see this was March 23rd and 22nd. We capped right around $300 a share, which is amazing. And then since then, it slumped all the way down to 278. That was 277. But you can see that we've been starting to reverse. I like support that it's holding right here. I said, look, we will be entering above 290 to take it to 300. That's where its next support is, right here. So we identified this, and we will be taking it to $300 a share, which will be ideal. It was there last week, but the market wasn't there for it. And volume's great. Facebook itself, I believe, will be around for a lot longer. Even though people like Facebook for old people, yeah, man. But there's the ass old people. So people are gonna still be on Facebook. Zuckerberg, that man, he's gonna push the company further. So I have no doubt in my mind Facebook will eventually be $350 a share, but we got to start somewhere and take it up to at least $300. So this is all of these trades this week: gold, NAS, US 30, pound, New Zealand, Facebook, and Amazon. These are all swing positions. These are all trades that are going to hit profit. I'm so excited to take these trades. So again, I thank you for tuning in this week to Weekly Trades. I'll be back on Thursday to give an overview of how they went, and Friday I'll be dropping a price prediction. I know I forgot all three of those last week, and again, I'm sorry, but this week will be great in the markets. Again, follow all my socials to stay connected and click the link down below to join into my member alert room. Let's start making you some money today. So again, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.